Hello guys, my name is Jonah. So today I'll be showing to you how to actually create reel using your Facebook. As you may already know that Instagram has this, and you already know that Facebook owns Instagram, so why not also create it on Facebook? So I've noticed that it's been added to my Facebook today. Yes, I have updated my Facebook. I've also updated my Android, and I'm not sure if this is actually available to everyone. So if it's not, then you might have to wait. I'm sorry. So let's get into it. Now we go to home if you're using the Android on the left top. So the right bottom, you can see there are three types that you can actually do this here. Create post, create story, and create reel. So I'll just show it to you how to do create reel, which is pretty straightforward. As you can see my face here, which is facing my way. On the right top, you can add music, timer. I believe on the left bottom you can add, I'm not quite sure. Yep, you can add, video and photo. And also you can flip the camera. So yep, that's my studio, you can see. And this is a pretty cool feature. As I said, it may not be available to everyone, but you just have to probably wait, update your Facebook, and yeah, that's it. Enjoy your day.